Hi students, this is our third class. Let us start with simultaneous linear equations in three variables. General form. A linear equation in three variables x, y and z is given by ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, where a, b, c, d are real numbers and at least one of a, b, c is non-zero. So here A, B, C, D are real numbers and at least one of any one, that is at least any one among A, B, C is non-zero, that is not equal to 0. Note, a linear equation in two variables. Already we saw this. A linear equation in two variables of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 represent a straight line. If there are two variables, then it represents a straight line. It is clearly mentioned in the figure. That is it is x-axis and y-axis, that is xy plane. So this is a straight line. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Second note, a linear equation in three variables. A linear equation in three variables of the form ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 represent a plane. It is clearly mentioned in the figure. So this is x, y, z axis. So this is the plane ax plus by plus d is equal to 0. Now see what is the use of these linear equations in three variables. So use the concept of linear equations in three variables is used in GPS system, that is geopositioning system. Now we have to know how can we solve the system of linear equation in three variables. So there is one problem. The example 3.3, page number 89 in the textbook. Solve the system of linear equations in three variables 3x minus 2y plus z is equal to 2, 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 5 and x plus y plus z is equal to 6. So we have to solve by eliminating any one variable. So we have to know how can we eliminate one variable among three, that is x, y, z. You have to eliminate any one variable, either x or y or z. So now we see how can we solve this. Solution: given 3x minus 2y plus z is equal to 2, let it to be equation 1. 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 5, let it to be equation 2. And x plus y plus z is equal to 6, let it to be equation 3. So see here, if you add any two equations, either 1, 2 or 2, 3, so z eliminates. See here, here z is positive, here z is negative. If you just add these two equations, what happens? Z is eliminated. So now we see how can we eliminate z. So adding 1 and 2 we get. So 3x minus 2y plus z is equal to 2. 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 5. Just add the coefficients. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So no need to write 1. Just write y is equal to z minus z cancel. 2 plus y is equal to 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So we get one more equation, 5x plus y is equal to 7. Let it to be equation 4. Now add 2 and 3, that is 2 plus 3 implies 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 5, this is the second equation. X plus y plus z is equal to 6, this is the third equation. Just add the coefficient. Here the coefficient is 2, here the coefficient is 1. 2 plus 1, 3x. Then 3 plus 1, 4y. Z minus z plus z cancel. So 5 plus 6, 11. We get one more equation, 3x plus 4y is equal to 11. Let it to be equation 5. Solving 4 and 5 we get So 4, how can we solve this? You have to multiply the equation 4 by 4. So 4 into equation 4 is equal to, implies 4 into 5x plus y is equal to 4 into 7. See the equation 4, 5x plus y is equal to 7. See the equation 5, 3x plus 4y is equal to 11. We have to eliminate any one variable, either x or y. So to eliminate y, so we have to multiply by 4, because here there is a coefficient 4. So that's why we multiply here by 4. If you multiply by 4, you have to multiply both sides of the equation. That's why I multiply here by 4 the both sides of the equation. 4 into 5x plus y is equal to 4 into 7. So multiply 4 inside, we get 4 5s are 20, 20 into x 20x, then plus into plus plus, 4 into y 4y is equal to 4 7s are 28. Write the fifth equation as it is. 5 implies 3x plus 4y is equal to 11. If you subtract, then signs should be changed. So this is positive, you have to change as negative. So change the signs. And here also positive, I write negative. Here also positive, I write negative sign. So remember the new signs. 20 minus 3 is 17x. 4y minus 4y gets cancelled. 28 minus 11 is equal to 17. So simplify this 17, 1 times 17. So x is equal to 1. We get the value for x is equal to 1. Now substitute the value for value x equal to 1 in equation 4 we get. We have to substitute this value in equation 4. That is, I write once again the equation 4. 5x plus y is equal to 7. Instead of x, write 1. So 5 into 1 plus y is equal to 7. 5 ones are 5 plus y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 minus 5. Y is equal to 2. Then we get one more value, y is equal to 2. Now substitute to get to get the value for z, you have to substitute x equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 in equation 3 we get. So you have to substitute x value and y value in equation 3. We get, I write once again the equation x plus y plus z is equal to 6. Write the values for x and y, that is value of x is 1 and value of y is 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus z is equal to 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus z is equal to 6. Z is equal to 6. So if you transform plus 3, it becomes minus 3. 6 minus 3, that is z is equal to 3. Therefore the solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. The problem is over. Now one homework in exercise 3.1 in the Tamil Nadu textbook. So first one, solve. In this first one, the sub number is 1. X plus y plus z is equal to 5. 2x minus y plus z is equal to 9. X minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 16. So solve this, try this. Find the values for x, y and z. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment and share this video. Goodbye.